Hello everyone and welcome to the board. Today's problem has a trap you can see. 4 divided by a half plus a half times 4. What is your answer? A, B or C? A 16, B 34, C 10. Drop it in the comments. And if you have a problem you want us to discuss in future video, send that to. I read every single one. Okay, let's solve it now. Maybe some of you solve it this way. Look at those two halves. They look so friendly. So easy to add. So you perform a half plus a half first. A half plus a half is 1. Then 4 divided by 1 is 4. Times 4, 16. But you know this is totally wrong. And some of you just do it left to right. Remember the KCF rule. 4 divided by a half is equal to 4 times 2 equals 8. And then x plus a half is 8 and a half. And then 8 and a half times 4 equals 34. But no, this is also wrong. In mathematical equation with several arithmetic operations like this, there are rules for the order of operations. In this video, we use term PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, equal rank left to right, and addition and subtraction. In our problem, the equation contains division, addition, and multiplication. So the correct order we have to perform is this division and this multiplication first. So 4 divided by a half is 8. Remember, dividing by a half is the same as multiplying by 2. Multiplication a half times 4 is 2. And now we can perform 8 plus 2, which equals 10. So the answer is C. If you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments. Okay, now your turn. 6 divided by third plus a third times 6. Option A, 54, B, 20, or C, 110. Pause the video, solve it, and drop your letter in the comments. If this helped you, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channels. Thanks for learning with me today. See you in the next one.